What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, Keto Savage, founder of KetoBodybuilding.com, and we've got some exciting things in the pipeline for 2025. One of which is the Savage Retreats we're going to start hosting on a somewhat quarterly basis. So I've been at multiple conferences. I've spoken at multiple conferences. I've had booths at conferences. I love conferences because I love getting people together in person, being face-to-face. However, one thing I dislike about these massive conferences is that it kind of removes some of the intimacy that you get from people one-on-one because there's just so many people and everybody's in a rush to talk to people. So I've decided to combat that with hosting these small, privately held Savage Retreats that we do all over the country, again, probably on a quarterly basis. We're going to be hosting our first retreat in February in Northwest Arkansas up by Beaver Lake, and I'm bringing the expert speaker in, of which I'm going to be inviting Bill Schindler, Dr. Bill Schindler, to speak with us. Dr. Bill Schindler is a great friend of mine. He's hunted alongside me. He is an ancestral expert on nutrition and lifestyle. He's been hosted on National Geographic countless times, living off the land with buckskin briefs that he made and leggings, the full 9 yards, how to nap flint to make arrowheads and spears and atlatls. He is a wizard with all things ancestral health and just history as far as it pertains to our evolutionary past as human beings. He is also a freaking master in the kitchen. So when he hunted with me 2 years ago now, he was making all these meals. He's like a freaking 5-star chef, all right? He's got his own restaurant. He's got his own brand, Eat Like a Human. He's written a book on it. But he can take anything that most people would turn their nose up against, like organ meats, kidneys, liver, heart, and make it absolutely delicious. And he knows how to do all of this from an ancestral standpoint, like how to prepare the food, how to do everything from, fully living animal to like 5-star meal on your plate. And great human being, great person, great friend. He's going to be flying out here to Northwest Arkansas, and he's going to be the expert speaker for this retreat. And we're going to do all kinds of good things. So I just booked out a massive cabin, mansion, Airbnb for this retreat where everybody will be able to stay together as a family in this intimate setting. We're going to have campfires. We're going to have our meals together. It's right there on the lake so we can do cold plunging together. It's going to be a whole mastermind weekend that goes into ancestral health, history of the human being, how to do different skill sets, how to be self-sufficient and dependable. We're going to have a mindset component. We're going to have these physical components like the cold plunging. There's a sauna there. It's going to be like a biohacking, historical, ancestral mashup unlike anything you've ever seen before. Bill Schindler, if you don't know him, check him out. Follow him on social media. He's an awesome human being, and I can't wait for y'all to meet him in person. And we're going to be hosting this retreat on February 7th, 8th, and 9th in Northwest Arkansas for this first Savage Retreat. I've got the landing page here. You can sign up if you want. There's going to be very limited seats because, again, I want to keep it capped at a very small group of people so that it can maintain that just intimate vibe and connection that we're going to get. So if you are interested, definitely check it out. Sign up below and become part of the first Savage Retreat. Again, this is going to be February 7th, 8th, and 9th in Northwest Arkansas. Details to follow, details on this page. Don't want to miss out on this one because the seats will go fast. See y'all there and stay savage.